In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer in Wix Studio. Having a consistent footer across your site is crucial for maintaining a balanced and professional web design. Plus, it offers your visitors important information and easy navigation options right at the bottom of every page. Let me show you how to do it, step by step. First, open up your site in the Wix Studio editor. This is your main workspace where all the design magic happens. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom of one of your pages. This is where we'll be adding our footer section. You'll notice that adding a section in Wix is quite straightforward. Look for the Add Sections option. Sometimes this may differ slightly in terminology based on your current interface, but it will be prominently located. Once you've found the option to add a section, go ahead and select it. Choose a blank section from the options available. This blank section will serve as the canvas for your new footer. Now that we have our section, the next step is to make this section global and designate it as your footer. To do this, make sure your new section is selected, and then look for the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. Click that icon and then select Set as Global Section. This is a key step, as setting the section as global ensures that it automatically appears on every page of your website. Within the global section settings, you'll have the option to mark this as a footer. It's important to do this so that Wix recognizes it specifically as the footer section of your site. The benefit here is uniformity. A global footer will provide a cohesive look and feel throughout your entire site. Now that you've officially designated the section as your footer, it's time to add the content you want to display. Think about what you want your visitors to have access to from every page. This can include your contact information, social media icons, important links, a copyright notice, or your privacy policy. Arrange these elements in a manner that complements your site's overall design. You might opt for columns or different alignment styles to keep everything neat and organized. Once your content is in place, you'll want to make sure the footer design fits seamlessly with the rest of your website. Use the Inspector panel or design settings to tweak aspects like the background color, borders, and spacing. If you need more room for all your content, don't hesitate to resize the section. Adjusting the height can give you the space you need without compromising design principles. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a footer to your Wix site that will appear consistently across all pages, providing your viewers with essential information right at their fingertips. Happy creating, and I hope your site turns out great.